Alright, so we've been in Melbourne now. How long have we been here? Tuesday, Lon Market's Tuesday. About a week and a half, I think. The weather, yeah, it hasn't been great, hasn't been the best. We had a market on this morning. We pulled the pin on it because it was windy as. It was raining as well, but the rain don't bother us. It's more the wind. But yeah, anyway, I just thought I'd update you on the new caravan build. We should have the chassis next week. The chassis has been built by Roadrunner. That should be, yeah, we should have that at the Ausflex factory probably Wednesday, Thursday next week. Today is a Saturday. So once the chassis there, the build will start. We're hoping for a 3 to 4 week build. Ausflex are making this caravan build their priority. So yeah, around 3 to 4 weeks build time. We're going to film everything for you guys. So yeah, we'll do like a series on it. So we'll be at the factory nearly every day, except for the days we got markets, and we'll probably have to go and print, yeah, 1 or 2 days a week. But we have got a headquarters set up in an office at Ausflex's factory, so we can print while we're at the factory and we can film as well. So it's going to be, yeah, awesome. But this weekend, the crew from Ausflex are up at the Brisbane Caravan and Camping Super Show. So they're up there with Sunrise Caravans. They build, yeah, Sunrise Caravans for them. So yeah, exciting times ahead. Can't wait to share it with you guys. We're loving Melbourne so far. Apart from the weather, they do need the rain over here, and it's really, really cold. I had to go and buy long johns yesterday. So yeah, but yeah, I like Melbourne. There's a lot of food places here, like restaurants, and the food trucks and permanent food vans is, compared to WA, is insane. They are everywhere. They're beside servos, they're in car parks, yeah, absolutely everywhere. And I love a good, yeah, food van. So yeah, no, it's good to see. It's a good vibe in Melbourne. The market scene is totally different to WA. They are so big, a lot, yeah, just a lot different, just a different vibe. And they run all year round, inside and outside markets. And yeah, they're massive. Nothing like WA markets, which is, yeah, it's cool. But once the new van's built, we don't know what the plan is after that. How long we're going to hang around Melbourne for, we're not sure. We've got to keep in mind that we've got Bali coming up in August. So we've got to work out where we're going to fly out from and where we're going to store the caravan and vehicles while we're gone. If we're still in Melbourne then, that's fine. We can leave them at a mate's place. But yeah, we're just winging it, playing it by ear. There is a lot we want to do in Victoria. We want to, yeah, camp up and down the Murray, and a lot of places we want to go and check out. It's just whether we can handle the weather or not. Yeah, so we are going to Queensland at some stage. That is, once we leave Victoria, we'll be going to Queensland. But when we leave Victoria, it's up in the air at the moment. We're not sure what we're going to do. But yeah, let's kick off this caravan build. We're off to the market at Williams Landing, and yeah, we got lost and just went across the Westgate Bridge, and I think we're heading into the city.
No idea.
Maps are there, so we've got to turn around here somewhere.
Jesus, like the zigzag.
No, just follow the map. Man, the Westgate Bridge is massive, huh?
So I've got to move off here. No cars here.
No, you're right. Recenter it, Joe. Yeah, you're right. Keep going, right? Yeah. Yeah. We go like around a big circle and back the other way. Weather's not great, but this is market life in Victoria, I guess. watch out when he... Winston just put his head in the way. I think we've got to turn around up here and then go back across the... We do have to go back across the Westgate Bridge.
Yeah. Left here.
Left here.
Then left here again.
Yep. Westgate Bridge towards Geelong.
It's a red line,
No, you've got to give way, Jared. You know your road rules. Going through the traffic lights. Jared's having a bit of a panic attack.
oh, dude.
He's got anxiety about driving in Melbourne. I think I'm going to have to drive from now on. Descender. Yep, here we go, back across the bridge. It's a big bridge actually, eh?
Yeah.
It's pretty high. Bit bumpy. These roads in Melbourne are shocking, eh? Yeah, our market's at Williams Landing today. Once we find how to get there, hopefully the weather holds off. It's not looking great, but it's like only drizzle rain. It's not, doesn't piss down like it does in WA. It sort of drizzles all day, which is not too bad. So as long as it's not windy, it's all good. I'll swing the camera around. Back across the bridge. We're on the right track now. We're 13 minutes away from where we've got to be. We got to Williams Landing where the market was held after we got back over from the Westgate Bridge, and there was only a food van there. And us. They cancelled the event. Bumpin was at 8 o'clock, so it took us an hour to get there. Bumpin was at 8. 21 minutes past 8, they sent an email saying the event has been cancelled. So, if they sent it last night or at like 6 o'clock this morning would have been of some help. But what are we going to do now?
It's all right. Might go to Laverton Market and have a look.
Yeah, we was going to do Laverton
We're too late now.
Market today, but yeah, we're too late to do that now. We're going to do it next weekend. That goes ahead, rain, hail, snow, shine, sunshine, whatever, it goes ahead, they don't cancel. So
have a look.
yeah, we might go there and have a look because we're going to be there next weekend. So I think we'll go and have a look around there. We went and checked out Laverton Market. Wasn't many people there.
No, there's not many there at all.
But, I don't know what it'll be like for our brand. We'll give it a go one weekend and see, but van life, we're off to look for a dump point. So yeah, when you're full-time van life, that's just part of
Deal.
normal life.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're off to find the dump point. Oh, we know where it is, but after we went to Laverton Market, we went back to the caravan, just got a bit of work done on the laptop. Put a sale on and online. We put a sale on online, and so I got smashed with orders again, and yeah, it's good on this rainy, cold day. What is it? 5 degrees.
Yeah, five
In the-
all day.
How crazy is that? Middle of the day, and it's
Feels like 6 o'clock.
5 degrees. It does feel about 6 o'clock. Eh? It's only
Feel like 6 o'clock all day.
What is the time? 20 past 2.
It's felt like this all day.
Yeah, definitely not used to this weather. No. So we went and found a dump point, and just got back to the van, but it's going to be Sunday sesh inside the van tonight because it is way too cold and wet to sit outside and have a drink. So yeah, Sunday sesh in the van. We're I don't know if I said before or not, but we're staying on a mate's property. That's why we haven't filmed anything, for their privacy, because it is their family home. But we're looking after their farm animals at the moment. It's just went and done all the farm duties, feeding all the animals. So that's done, out of the way. Don't have to worry about that. So we can have a beer. But I am going to cook curry chicken tonight, so I'm going to put that on now before we get too polished. Yeah, and don't have to worry about it later after we've had a few beers. Because we will FaceTime Ken for Sunday Sesh. Find his pot. And yeah, we'll FaceTime Ken for Sunday session later on. Found the pot. Can't wait to get this new caravan. There's so much more storage in it. Yeah, the storage in the new van is going to be epic. So yeah, can't wait for that. What do I need? Spuds.
It fell apart. The soles have fell off.
Oh really? You was just wearing them.
No, I thought they felt funny.
Have a look at Jared's Blunstons.
They fell apart.
The soles are all fell off. How'd that happen? Maybe in the heat, in the tunnel boots.
No idea.
She didn't wear them the whole time I was in WA.
Thought they felt a bit funny.
We haven't worn them for like last year and a half.
They don't last as long as they used to. That whole
I can't believe them soles have come off.
that whole sole, look. It's just fell apart. Look.
How? How did that happen? Has to be from the heat, yeah?
I've got no idea. That just fell off.
That's weird.
They're not much good, are they?
Not made in Australia no more.
No.
But so yeah, we should have the chassis is going to be here next week. Oh, I've got my phone ringing. I'll hang up. So yeah, I'm back now. Got off that phone call. Can't remember what I was saying, but I'm going to cook this curry chicken. Chopping up the veggies now, and yeah, a few beers. Sunday Sesh, FaceTime Ken, and that's about it. Nothing else we can do. Got a market in the morning. We should have. I think I was talking about the chassis for the caravan. So yeah, the chassis should be here end of the week. It's getting built by Roadrunner. They're a local family business. Yeah, completely Australian made, using Australian steel. So and they've decided they want to do between Roadrunner and Ausflex. They want to do something extra special for us. So you'll see what's coming up with the chassis in the YouTube videos and our episodes coming up. So it's pretty cool what they want to do. And yeah, we're pumped for it. So stay tuned for that. So that should be here, end of the week this week. And what else? We'll start building then, but yeah, this week we've got a lot of printing to do this week again. Catch up on orders. Been slammed with orders today.
Keeping us busy.
I just done all the stock orders just then, which is good. And apart from printing and going to Ausflex factory most days, we won't be doing much else. Well, we can't do much else in this weather. So yeah, I might show you what tea comes out like later, but we'll see how we go. Cheers, Sunday Sesh. So we've just dropped the high ace off to get some new tyres. We've got an hour to kill, so yeah, we're just walking around just down at the train station. I don't know why we walked down the train station for.
I don't know.
What are we doing? Let's go somewhere. Let's walk. But yeah, to get new tyres on the van. It's Thursday, but Ausflex started building our walls today, which is cool. We still haven't got the chassis yet. It should be, if it's not there tomorrow, it'll be Monday, Tuesday next week. Yes, once the chassis is there and the walls go up, we'll start filming.
We sure will.
So yeah, that'd be cool. So
no use filming now. But
No, so the next, yeah, the next YouTube episode will be the start of the caravan build. But it is thirsty today, so what did I say? Did I say thirsty Thursday? Did I say thirsty Thursday?
Thursday.
Or did I say thirsty?
Thursday.
Oh, no, it's thirsty Thursday today, so yeah, we'll pick up the high ace and then bottle shop and home for a few beers. Sounds like the go, eh?
There's going to be 0